What's up, guys? Thank you for watching. It's been a while since we've seen each other on here. What you just saw was a quick recap for Lululemon's half marathon Seawheeze in Vancouver. They didn't bring me out to make content at all, just to run, but it was such a cool experience that I thought I should document it and share it with you guys. So Lululemon men, they brought out 100 guys, entrepreneurs, creatives, athlete ambassadors to race, connect, and they completely hooked it up. I've never been a distance runner myself, but they inspired me to train last couple months and actually check my first half marathon off the bucket list this weekend. They're an amazing brand. Their clothes are of course the best. I assure you it's not paid or sponsored, but really their brand culture and the way they prioritize vision and goals, it's completely next level. I actually attribute us buying a house and hosting our own creative camp to the goal setting that they instilled in us as a brand. Of course, I wear all their clothes. So the video was shot all on a single GoPro, either strapped on my backpack or in my mouth on a hat clip, and then edited the same day after the race. If you guys have any questions at all, either on the content side or the race and experience side, anything Lululemon, hit me up below in the comments. We just moved into a new house, so that means we're finally settled and more content is coming at you consistently here on YouTube. It's also why it's really echoey in here. If this is your first time here on this channel, do the things, like, subscribe, you get it. I'm headed to Japan at the end of this week, so follow along at double.zee on Instagram to see that. And otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video.